Damascus Gate, Jerusalem. The Old City of Jerusalem had a number of different wall locations during the period from at least 1000 BC. However, the current walls were built by the Ottoman Emperor Suleiman in the mid-1500s, and the Damascus Gate was one of a number of access gates to Jerusalem built at that time. The Damascus Gate provides entry into the Muslim quarter of Jerusalem. As you pass through the gate into the Old City, you pass through a bustling Arab bazaar, where it is possible and expected to barter with the stallholders in order to agree on a price that satisfies both you and the seller. This is the most elegant and attractive of the gates into the Old City, and is a common place for tourists wishing to enter the Old City and experience the rich and vibrant history of this turbulent part of the world. To find out more, visit onlinetravelconsultant.com.